until the 30th of July 2023, failing to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I am declaring through the Biafra Republic government in exile this day, 2 weeks long sit at home civil disobedience to commence immediately from the 31st day of July 2023. The sit at home protest aimed to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and residents of Biafra territory actively participated, demonstrating unwavering support for the cause and recognizing the Biafra Republic government in exile as the legitimate and the only legitimate authority of the Biafrans affair. The commercial activity were halted, shops, markets, schools, banks all closed, including military checkpoint, military barracks, police station, police post, the government house, all of them shut down during this protest. Biafra remained resolute and their demand for justice and the restoration of Biafra with further actions anticipated. To gain international support, the sit-at-home protest showcased the unity, commitment and determination of Biafra people in their pursuit for freedom. For the past 2 years, I want Biafra to know that we have defeated Nigeria. Having watched the glimpse or the clip I just played about the effect of our sit-at-home, which they try to manipulate you that it is only affecting the southeast, it was only affecting your businesses and all that. It is about economic strangulation of the Nigerian state within Biafra territory, and of course by extension within Nigeria government, the Federal Islamic government of Nigeria. We therefore gave this present Islamic state of Nigeria, which Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Boko Haram founder Shetima are now running the affair of this illegitimate government of Nigeria. We give them between now till 30th of July to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whom their own court of jurisdiction, of competent jurisdiction, have discharged from any charges brought before the court, and also further mandated that no court in Nigeria should be allowed or should have the jurisdiction to try Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, considering the circumstances under which he was brought back to Nigeria. That particular pronouncement by the court has been violated with impunity, while Boko Haram members are being freed on daily basis. Therefore, until the 30th of July 2023, failing to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I am declaring through the Biafra Republic government in exile this day, 2 weeks long sit at home civil disobedience to commence immediately from the 31st day of July 2023. And I want everyone to pay attention attentively to how this particular sit at home will be followed. The 2 weeks sit at home will start from the 31st of July to 14th of August 2023. The same demand on which the first week-long sit at home was made still remain the same and stand. This sit at home will run through August 14, from 31st of July 2023 to 4th of August 2023. Entire Biafra land will be under lock and key. And I want you to understand that from 31st to 4th of July, from 31st July to 4th of August is from Monday to Friday. So, from Monday to Friday, being the 31st of July to 4th of August, entire Biafra territory will be under lock and key. All federal road, everything flying in the air will be locked down. And then after that, we are going to have a 2 days break. This 2 days break is going to be the Saturday, which is the 5th and the 6th of August. You are going to go out to the market, go to church to pray, and do whatever you want to do. Worship your God on Sunday, which is the 6th of August. On Saturday, you go to shop, take your groceries, and then from the 7th of August, the sit at home commences again. The sit at home will then last from 11th of August down to 14th of August 2023. 11th, from 7th of August to 11th of August, which is also Monday. 7th of August is Monday, and from Monday to Friday, the entire Biafra land will be under lock and key. Complete lockdown. From 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, entire Biafra will be locked down. And we're going to have break again after the 11th of August. The break is going to be the 12th of August. This is Saturday. You are going to go to the market. You're going to go to the shop. On the 13th of August, you go to church, worship your God, and then on the 14th of August 2023, we have the last day of the 2 weeks sit at home. As this sit at home is going on, we are activating the complete economic sanction and meltdown in Biafra territory. Our target is to ground and crush the economy of Nigeria within our territory. Believe me, do not worry about Nigeria economy in Biafra land. They never favored you. They have never done anything with the economy to you. They have never built you road. There is no good hospital. There is no good school. You never enjoyed any social amenity. You don't have social welfare. You don't have social services. The economy is useless as anything to you. So we are going to crush it because it pays them. And let me tell you, apart from the 2 weeks at home, as the sit at home is going on, we are activating the ban and the stoppage of oil exploitation. That is going to be an internal issue. Internal enforcement will begin to take place immediately. We are taking every inch of our territory back by force to ourselves. Having listened to this particular announcement, from tonight, the enforcement on ban on oil exploitation in Biafra land starts. To show our readiness to break away from Nigeria. Nigeria never worked again. It will never work. All they do is to import terrorists to kill our people, kill other people in Nigeria, especially in the Middle Belt, where there are majority Christians. They kill them, maim them, and there is nobody like Simon Ekpa in those areas. There is nobody like Biafra agitators in those areas to fight for them. And today, the liberation of Biafra is going to liberate you. So if you are facing this annihilation by the Islamic movement, sponsored by the Nigerian military and police, it is time you support Biafra. Biafra breakaway will save your life and save your future. To show our readiness to break away and continue to maintain the exit of Nigeria, the exit from Nigeria in 2023, from tonight, we declare every generation of revenue by the Nigerian state within Biafra territory illegal. The revenue generation in Biafra land become illegal. And Biafra people, we are going to enforce it. How we are going to enforce it? It's going to be internal enforcement. You are not going to see it anywhere, but it will be happening. The enforcement of the stop of revenue from Nigeria generating revenue in Biafra territory will stop. And it is going to start from tonight. And I want people to understand, we cannot allow Nigeria to continue to take revenue from our people and kill them. It is not done anywhere. When you generate revenue from people, you protect them. You give them protection. But Nigeria own is different. You generate revenue from our land, use it to buy military weapon, and then you come to our land and burn it. Use it to buy military weapon, you hire militants, pay them with our own money that generated from our land, and pay to people who are jihadists, recruited by Sarif Kubo to come to our land to fight. It is not done anywhere. From tonight, we are not only engaging your militant, we are not only engaging your armed group, we are engaging the source of your revenue, and it is going to start from tonight. The sanction will be systematically enforced against the Nigerian state, not to affect any Biafran citizen within Biafran territory. Our target is only and only Nigeria state. The use of Nigeria siren by evil politicians to continue to intimidate our people with siren remain banned in Biafra territory. The use of siren, if you hear we, anytime, anywhere in Biafra territory, you are going to answer to Biafra Liberation Army. The operation of the terrorist group called EBUBE, AVG, militant, jihadists led by Asari and Ifeanyi Ubah in Unewi remain banned in Biafra territory. And we are going to engage them. Any other nomenclature is hereby prohibited. Carrying arms and ammunition to intimidate and harass our market people that if they didn't obey, if they obey it at home, you are going to kill them. If they obey it at home, you are going to close their market. We are going to engage any armed group that is not protecting the interests of our people. We have not seen the armed group of Ifeanyi going to the bushes to engage the Fulanis that are coming to kill our people. We have not seen the armed group of Ifeanyi to engage kidnappers, criminals that are killing our people in the name of headers.
Subscribe on YouTube at Film Roots TV.